First open Gmail at gmail.com, then click on the compose button. Now look for the paperclip at the bottom. Click on that to attach the file. Then it will give you, open up this, and you can just choose from where you want it. So I'll just pick something like this. Stick that first thing. Once it appears, done it shows there, then you just need to click it to who you want. So boom boom there, and then we'll just send it to there, and we'll do it, and then we'll put attachment there. Right, attachment, and then we'll click on send, and that is done. Next, let's do it in Hotmail Outlook. Click on the new email button there. So select that. Then you click on the little paperclip. And it'll say where do you want to do it from. Just click on browse this computer. Then we'll just go and find what we want there, and we'll just click on that one. And we'll type in what we want, like type in the address. So we'll just do that one. Then we'll do attachment there. I can throw that wrong here. In the subject, attachment, and then we'll click on send. And that's it. Now you know how to attach files and photos to emails in Gmail and Hotmail. Like and subscribe, and check out my next video on how to check your spam folder.